Jeffrey Ackerman. I've been with Illinois Bone and Joint since 2015. I specialize in hip and knee replacement and hip arthroscopy, as well as complex revision hip and knee replacement. I take care of a lot of younger, active patients. They want to go back to their high levels of activity, whether it's pickleball, skiing, snowboarding. Older patients often have different concerns. A lot of patients live alone. They have lots of stairs in their house. We have to manage their expectations. The greatest satisfaction I have on a daily basis is seeing my patients back after surgery, seeing the smile on their face, restoring their mobility, eliminating their pain, and getting them back to the activities they love. At Illinois Bone and Joint, we provide personalized care. We believe in excellence, both in the clinic and the OR. It's important to provide the highest level of care regardless of the setting.